In this video, we're going to learn how to multiply the source cells by the destination cells. So we're going to be using a copy and paste feature that will multiply at the same time that we're copying and pasting. So we're going to continue to use the same file that we used in our last video that where we learned how to convert data from rows to columns. We're going to use the same file to demonstrate this new feature. So if we look at cells F6 to F10, in this particular column, it shows us, or these particular cells contain the terms for the individual company contracts. So there's 5-year terms, 4-year terms, and so on. So we're going to copy and paste and use a multiply, and we're going to multiply that by one of the other columns in our data here. So with this selected, F6 to F10, I'm going to go up to my ribbon and I'm going to click on copy. So again, you can see the marquee that goes around it. I've copied it. What we're going to do now is paste the source range and instruct Excel to multiply the values while pasting. Okay, so that's what we're going to tell it to do. So I'm going to go to D6. So we're going to, D6 contains the maintenance contract cost. And I'm going to go up then to my paste arrow up in the ribbon bar. Click on the paste arrow pointing down, and then the paste menu drops down. And I'm going to find the paste special button just by hovering my mouse over each of them. You can see, so obviously none of those are paste special, but there's a separate menu at the bottom that you can choose. That is the paste special dialog box, and so that's what we're going to choose, which will give us a whole bunch of other features that we can use while we're pasting. Excel can do a few things at one time. So in the operations section, we're going to tell Excel that we want to multiply. Alright, so we're going to click on multiply. So we're telling Excel that we're going to multiply what it finds in this maintenance column over here by what we had selected when we started in the term column. Okay, and then we're going to click OK. And then in our total cost, the answer has appeared. We can press the escape key to remove the marquee that was around our selection. Okay, that removes the scrolling marquee from the source range, and then by clicking in any other cell we deselected what we had highlighted over there. Alright, so if you want to, I'm going to back up and show that again. So I'm just going to, undo until I get to this place. Okay, so we had selected the term. So then I go to the maintenance in D6. I'm going to go to the maintenance column, and I'm going to use, so I copied what was there, and I'm going to use the paste special. I'm going to tell it that I want it to multiply, and then I'm going to click OK. And so what you see over here in the maintenance now is the total maintenance cost. So we had the maintenance cost per year. Now it's multiplied out by the length of the term. So it's giving us a more realistic figure. So that's how we use the multiplying the source cells by the destination cells.